Hello, good morning everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss a question which is shown in the figure. 2 ampere, 10 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm, 2 ohm and this 100 volt. So we need to find current through this 5 ohm resistance using nodal analysis. To solve this question using nodal analysis method, we need to first find the number of nodes. So here we have 3 nodes. This is a node number 1, this is node number 2, and third is a reference node. V3 is a reference node and V3 voltage is 0 volt. If we look into this circuit, here we can see that at node number 2 a 100 volt is connected directly between a node 2 and a reference node 3. That means plus terminal of 100 volt is directly connected to node 2 and minus terminal of 100 volt is directly connected to a reference node 3. If this case happens that a DC volt source or EMF or battery is connected between a node and a reference node, then the voltage of that node can be easily find out. So this value of this node voltage is 100 volt. So at node 2 V2 is equals to 100 volt. If in another situation this minus is directly connected to terminal 2 and plus is connected to terminal 3, which is a reference node, then the node voltage of this node 2 is equals to V2 equals to minus 100 volt, because minus is connected to a main node and plus is connected to a reference node. In that case V2 equals to minus 100 volt, but here it is V2 equals to 100 volt. That means we didn't need to find node voltage, or we need not to apply KCL at node 2. So here we require only one KCL equation at node 1. So at node 1 V1 KCL equation gives, so at node 1 incoming current is minus 2, outgoing current from 1 to node 3, that is V1 minus 0 by 2, another V1 minus V2 by 5 is equals to 0. So V1 minus V2 by 5 is equals to 0. Now V1 is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 and minus V2 by 5 is equals to minus 2 shifted to right hand side, it will be plus 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the now you can easily put this value of V2. V1 equals to 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 10 minus of 100 by 5, that is 20 equals to 2, or V1 7 by 10 equals to 22. So V1 equals to 22 into 10 by 7. So it will be 220 by 7. So after solving this we get 31.428 voltage. So till now we have calculated the value of node V1 voltage and node V2 voltage. Now to find current I I is equals to V1 minus V2 divided by 5, that is 31.428, and V2 value is 100 divided by 5, so I2, so the value of I we get is minus 13.714 ampere. This negative value of I indicates that the actual direction of current is flowing from node 2 to node 1. So actual direction of current I is from node 2 to node 1. That means our assumption that current is flowing from first node to second node is wrong, because we get a negative value. So the actual direction of current is from node 2 to node 1, and the value of current is 13.714 ampere. In the next example, we again take the same situation of DC voltage source is connected between a node and a reference node. Here we have taken another example. So this is 8 ohm branch, 24 volt, 7 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm, and it is a 2 ampere current source. Here we need to find the current flowing through this 7 ohm resistance using nodal analysis. So just by looking into this circuit, we can easily find out the number of nodes. So here the number of nodes is a first node, this point, this is a second point, second node, and here it is a third node, and below this line is a fourth node. We call it as a reference node, and we take the voltage of this reference node. V4 is equals to 0 volt, and by looking into the circuit we can easily find out the node voltage of 1. It is as 24 volt, because 4 plus point is connected to node 1 and minus point is connected to node 4. But here is another parallel branch of 8 ohm, but it will do nothing. We can easily find out this node voltage from just by looking into 24 volt source. Plus is connected to node 1, minus is connected to reference node. So first node voltage can be easily find out. So V1 voltage equals to 24 volt. Next, then we need to apply two KCL equations at node 2 and node 3. So at node 2, V2 KCL equation gives, so at node 2, from first node to second node, outgoing current V2 minus V1 by 3. From node 2 to node 4, V2 minus V4, or we can directly write it as 0, V2 minus 0 by 7 ohm. Next, V2 minus V3 by 5 ohm. So from second node only 3 branches are connected, and we have written 3 terms, so it is completed equals to 0. Next we need to do is simplification of this equation. So it will be minus V1 by 3. Next is V2 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 5. Next V3 by 5. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 equals to 0. So it will be minus 1 by 3 plus V2. It will comes out to be, so 71 divided by 105 minus V3 by 5 equals to 0. So it is your equation number first. We can solve this equation further by putting the value of V1. So it will be V2 71,105 minus V3 by 5 equals to minus 24 by 3, that is minus 8. Shifted to right hand side, it is plus 8. So we write this new equation will as equation number 1. Next, we need to write KCL equation at node 3. So at node 3, node voltage V3, KCL equation gives at node 3 outgoing current of plus 2 ampere. So it is plus 2. Next, from node 3 to node 4, that is V3, we can write node 4 as a 0 voltage. So V3 minus V4, that is 0. V3 minus 0 by 4. Next, V3 minus V2 divided by 5. V3 minus V2 by 5. Next, V3 minus V1 plus V3 minus V1 by 6 is equals to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full 4 branches are connected. So plus 2, V3 minus 0 by 4, V3 minus V2 by 5, V3 minus V1 by 6. After simplification, we will get minus of V1 by 6, V2 minus of V2 by 5, and V3 is 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and it is plus 2 is shifted to right hand side, it will be a minus 2. V1 voltage we know 24 volt, so it will be minus 4 shifted to that right hand side, minus V2 by 5. So it will be minus V2 by 5 plus 37 by 60 times of V3, and it will be minus 24 by 6, that is minus 4. Shifted to right hand side, it will be plus 4 minus 2, that is plus 2. So it will be a new equation number 2. After solving equation number first and second, we get solving equation first and second, we get, after solving this equation number first and second, we get V1 equals to 14.147 volt, V2 equals to 7.831 volt. Next, we need to find this current I flowing through 7 ohm resistance. So this I will be node from 2 to 4, that is V2 minus 0 by 7 ohm. So it will be a 7.831 divided by 7. So it will come out to be approx 1 ampere. So it comes out to be 119 ampere. 1.119 ampere. So here is the solution of this circuit. We find out the current I equals to 1.119 ampere. So in this way, the nodal analysis for type 3, where a voltage source is connected between a node and a reference node, can be easily solved out. So if you like my video and my channel and my work, please do share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you. We will meet with a new video where we will solve the question of supernode. In supernode, the node 1, a voltage source is connected between two main nodes. That is, we can say a 24 volt is connected between node 1 and node 2. So we will see that in our next lecture.